Okay, guys, so this is day 2 of the SEO webinar, and we did on-page SEO yesterday. Today we're going to do off-page. So, Anup, over to you. I guess we can get started. We have a few attendees here. The rest will join in slowly.
Good evening, everyone. Hey, yesterday we were more into the on-page strategies, and we learned how to do keyword research. We also learned how to do competitor research. We compiled the keyword and we created a title tag, meta description. We created a content, and I taught you how to create a good content yesterday. So, although I'll not recommend you to use the AI software, but I always recommend you to write your content yourself. That would be the best part, right? So only you can understand about your product and services. The software will never understand it. So moving ahead today, we have to focus more on the off-page part. But let me give you a brief about what we did yesterday and where we are right now on the count of on-page. So am I audible? Clear? Right? All right, perfectly. So let's move ahead. I'm sharing my screen. So this is the page, and perfectly done. So you can have a look.
I guess Natasha will change the title.
Yes, she will work on the title. Yes.
Yeah, she'll get it done today, I think.
So she will work on the title, and everything look good. And all we need to do is we have to remove this title. This is unwanted title because this has already been used in the title. Because we no point over here is don't be confused with the word title. This is not title. This is the headline, right? Okay. So this is a headline. This is never called a title, right? The heading of the content, right?
So the page name is basically H1, and then everything inside is H2, correct?
This is H1, and the rest has to be in H2. So what I think is, this is wrong.
This is all H2. This is all H2.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just check the view source. I did H2. I helped her today to do it in H2. Yeah. And we got the title wrong because yesterday you explained the title should be something else, page title. वो गलती से ये लग गया by mistake.
There can only be one H1. So I see there's no H1 here. So one of them has to be H1. The suggestion would be remove this completely, not needed, right? And make this as a H1.
Yes.
And the rest will go to an H2. So this is H2 already. So make this in H1, and this all will be remain same. All you have to do is remove this.
Yes, this I'll take care. So once I do it tomorrow with her again, I will just check it with you and see if it is fine.
Right. Make sure the page don't have more than one H1. There can be multiple H2, but only one H1.
Okay. I'll get that done right away after today.
Exactly. One more suggestion needed. I want you to put an image related with angel card reading or whatever related with Natasha.
Okay.
And image, full size image, right? It should occupy the entire space this much. Right?
Natasha, I'll sit with you on the angel card reading from Canva. I got a Canva account.
Okay, thanks.
We can look up for that for you. Yeah.
Relating images are much better. Any image which is relating you to the service is far better, right? And make sure if you upload it, make sure you use a keyword as a file name of the image when you upload.
Nice.
The way you did in the YouTube class, right? Okay. So this is what you have to do, and everything look good. There are two suggestions needed, and if that is done, I think you are good to go to.
Actually, do one thing. Can I share my screen and then you can tell me? I'll show you how to do it.
We can do that later because we have a number of things to do, right?
Achha, okay, fine. Take it. So this will get optimized on Google after tomorrow when we learn about Search Console, correct? Because
Yes.
So although we are still optimizing it right now, image डालना है and
Yes.
H1, H2 fix करना है.
Yes.
After that, we will then tomorrow Search Console में we will know how to tell Google please update it. And then
Exactly.
once we tell search engine to update it, how long before we will come on the top on that keyword?
It total takes, it's not only about the on page. We have to work on the off page also, but it's not as easy to come on the first page as you index it, because the keyword is real tough. It's not a easy keyword, right? So we have to rank in the worldwide. And let me see what keyword I'm ranking for. Let's see what the health of the website is. So it's all totally dependent upon the health of the website. So I'll be talking about the health, how to check the health of the website today. So
Okay.
if you can see over here, we have come to 56 to 79.
Oh, wow.
Right? We can easily cross 80, but if you make these two suggestions, so we'll be able to cross 85. Right? So 80 is the minimum requirement you to start with, right?
Okay. She's failing by 1 point.
Failing by 1 point, yes. 80 is the minimum point you have to get for the on-page optimization.
Okay.
Right? Image and title will work. If that both of them are done, it will work, because H1 factor is completely missing, right? So H1, if you put in H1, so it's going to get around 5 points over there. So she'll automatically reach around 85 here.
Oh, okay.
Am I clear?
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you.
So this is done. This is what thing is. So you don't be dependent on rank math. This is the one of the best way to do on-page SEO. Still you are getting 80, 85 points over here when you're doing it manually. Right? So you don't have to work upon the suggestions given by any other software. You have to work upon the suggestion given by the experts and proven experts, right? This will give you the proven results. So this is what done with. Now the point over here is, op-ed is not only about working upon your web pages, right? It's also about working upon the history, your reputation in search result. So what I do is, actually I see there are many pages which are not relevant to the services, right? And these are very diluted pages because this page don't need to be optimized. Now what happened is, if you are having two types of pages. I mean, one pages that has to be optimized, and set of pages we don't have to optimize. Right? What happens is, when you're working hard on the 5 pages which has to be optimized, those are your service pages. Now the point over here is, if you're working hard on them, there are 15 more pages, 20 more pages which are diluted.
So we should delete all those pages.
You don't have to delete those pages. You have to just put them onto no follow. So
No
that
follow.
yeah, that's it. So that the robots don't visit them and they don't count as a homework.
I see.
Right. So if they come on your pages, if they feel that this page is very diluted, it makes no sense, right? So what they're going to do is they'll give you marks for that page also, and the overall page, your overall average of SEO will get diluted.
I see.
So it's going to hamper your pages which are optimized already.
And no follow can be done through this all-in-one SEO plugin?
No follow, no index. It can be done from SEO plugin. Yes, this plugin can help you out.
Can you show one? Do you know how to do it for one?
I'm coming over there.
Yeah. And since we are there, you want to fix the page title.
So what do we do? Delete those pages?
No. He's going to tell us what to do now. He's going to say, put a no follow, no index kind of thing. So it will tell all the Google robots not to look here. मतलब इधर मत देखो, पर्दा है. You should not get penalized for the pages that are not optimized. That's what Anup is saying.
So you're putting effort to optimize the pages, right? But these pages which are not optimizing, they'll pull your ranking.
Okay.
Correct.
So it's taking time to load. Let's come to the part. I'll come to this.
While this is happening, Lokesh is asking, what is the effect of H1, H2, H3 on the ranking? This is just an algorithm, right? It's
H1 is very important for ranking. Yes, H2 is important for ranking. H3, H4, H5, H6 don't make any sense,
nice.
Right? So all you have to do is H1 once a page, right? And H1 has to be the top of the page, right? Yep, exactly, with the keyword. H2 has to be on the repeated, and they should have the secondary keywords, right? And they cannot be H3, H4, right? So there's H2 is more than enough, right? S3, H4, S5 don't exist in SEO.
And H3 and above, it dilutes the SEO or not really?
H2 or S3, right? Above.
H3 and above, yeah. H3 and above will dilute, or it will not have no effect.
H3 will have no effect. This will give you this kind of null. No
Null.
positivity, no negative.
No negative. It is zero value, basically.
Right, zero value.
Zero impact on ranking.
Right. But if you are using your keyword in H3, you're losing that keyword ranking.
Right,
So
exactly. So there's a negativity of the fact that फालतू में waste क्यों किया वो?
Exactly. The wastage of your keyword selection. Yes. So better use the keyword in H2 rather than H3. So H3 don't exist in S2.
And while we're waiting again, or is it refreshing?
Now, I'm moving to the other part. Just refreshing, and let me move to the other part. Now, how do we check if we have bad pages that are hampering our SEO, right?
Yes.
Good pages and bad pages. So for that, you have to copy your URL, the home page.
Yeah.
Go in Google and search for SITE and colon, right?
Yeah.
Enter your URL without HTTP www.
Acha.
This one.
I see. Just the domain name.
Just the domain name. Yep.
Okay.
Hit enter.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to find all the pages that have been indexed in Google. All your pages that have been indexed in your Google.
Acha.
So this is the command to tell me what are the sites of this website indexed in Google. So here we come. Yep. Now this page make no sense. Testimonial.
Right. This should be no page, no index.
Exactly.
No.
All right. I'll work on this. And this one, declare more.
Again, no page, no index.
This video is fine. Coaching is fine. This seems to be a home page. I'll come to this later on. This service, which is meditation. Blogs is fine. Pay. This page is not needed. Happy client. Okay, fine. We can put in. Access facelift. I have no idea what this is. Let me open this. Maybe yes. Workshop 2. This is not needed. Facelift. This one.
Yeah, that's a service, I think. Access.
Yeah, service. Yeah, it's a service.
Right. Again, workshop. This has to go in no index.
I see.
Book an appointment. Let it go in no index.
Okay.
Contact me. Trust. Right. So this has to go in no index.
Okay.
Free download has to go into no index.
Wow.
Let's see what this page is about.
JP, LP, landing page.
Let's see what this is about.
So basically, there's a lot of work to be done for cleanup.
A lot of work to be done. Yep. Now this page test. This page is not required.
Yeah.
So what I do is I go back to Notepad.
Yeah.
And remove all this.
Right.
All right. And make a list of all the URLs.
Yes.
Oh, so all the pages which we don't, which is not index is not needed.
Yes, because it is reducing your performance.
Okay.
I mean, Google is giving you negative ranking for that. So on-page SEO is quite a lot of stuff. बहुत कुछ जाता है उसमें.
Yeah, quite a lot of stuff, but it's a one-time work, so you don't have to worry right here.
Correct.
What is this page about? Is this about service?
Yes, service.
It's a service.
Okay, I'll leave it.
Like Angel Cards, this is another one. Access page.
Right.
Yes.
Workshop 2. And all pages that are not used, please delete it. I think.
Yep. Unwanted pages has to be deleted. Go on your dashboard and delete them, because you know which pages are not wanted. Right?
Yes.
So basically, a lot of discipline has to be done.
Yes.
Otherwise, ranking will be. You cannot just create a page and just let it be like that. So unnecessarily, आपका
No.
optimization will get screwed up.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it. I think the contact me trash has to be removed only.
You have to sit with you on the website.
Sorry.
You're sitting next week on the website.
Okay, what to do with this page? Any hacker can come in.
Yeah. This is a very old page that she had bought a landing page from somewhere. I think
Oh,
about
yeah, I remember.
2014. You remember 2014?
Yeah. I remember Fever. I told you, help me.
So then this should be completely deleted. That directory.
Yeah. Yes.
You're not using it.
Uh-huh.
Delete that folder only. SR. What is that? Clients. Not required.
The client list not required.
Projects Google. What is that, Natasha?
What?
You have some project called Google.
Even I don't know.
So don't worry, Google is not going to rank you for this.
I don't know what I've done.
All right. So I have a list of some of the URL which are bad URL. And what I have to do is this process is called no index. Robots no index, right? So I'll ask robots not to index these pages. So how do I do that? So that I'll have to go in all in SEO, right? And have to find search appearance. Maybe I'll have to find it in feature manager. Okay, I'll have to go in feature manager. I'll have to find Robot.txt.
Okay. And just paste it. Or is that in the pro version now?
Where is it written?
Is that feature in the pro version?
No, not exactly. Let's see. Actually, they have upgraded it.
Oh.
To see where is that.
They keep changing this stuff every time.
All right. Even if there is no Robot.txt, it's not a problem. We can
go to
the
cPanel.
plugin and do it. Yeah, we can do it.
Advanced. Global robots meta.
Yes, but we need it for complete web pages. Right, not able to find it over here. So what I do is I download a new plugin.
You can do two at the same time?
Yes.
Achha, but rank math and AI SEO, I mean, all-in-one SEO is not allowed.
No.
So I think, Anup, I've got a link which I'm just sharing here on the chat, okay? Which I believe this will be the answer. We can check it later. This is a link that says using the robots.txt tool all-in-one SEO.
But I'm not able to find it over there.
I've just sent you the link. I've just sent you the link on the chat.
Right. Can you let me know where can I find it in all-in-one SEO setting?
Yes, I'll tell you. You go to all-in-one SEO, then you'll see it is there in the main thing. It is enable robots, custom robots.txt. Go to go to the dashboard of dashboard of the all-in-one dashboard, and see there is enable robots.
I got it.
Got it? Yeah,
Yep.
there. Enable customer. This one. And open robot. First you have to enable it, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, we are already in the Robots.txt. This is by default command.
Right.
So we'll have to add our rule. So to add the rule, what we have to do is we have to just copy this part.
Yeah. I see. Just after slash ke baad.
Yes. Now, it's asking which robot you want to disallow. Right. So I want all the robots. All the robots are simple as star or asterisk.
Yes.
Right. Allow or disallow. Disallow. Right.
And directory path
is this.
Paste. And then add.
Right. Add the rule.
And then you keep doing that for all of them.
All of them.
ठीक समझ गया. Natasha.
Can you see here?
Schedule a call with me in the morning. Yeah, got it.
Okay.
This we will do for all yours tomorrow.
Okay,
right. So this is
got
done.
It. Anup, you got it. We'll do it.
Save the changes.
Correct.
And if you want to see if it has been updated on your website, so what you have to do is come over here.
Yeah.
To see it live, write robots.txt.
Acha, it's there only in the main.
Yes. And you can see it's been updated.
Very cool. Nice.
Okay.
Right. So this tool is awesome. This tool, all-in-one SEO, is awesome, and it's free of cost. This doesn't charge anything, right? So go with this. Now, when we are done, the other part I'm talking about. Now, when we are done with the robot.txt, when we have asked robot not to index the bad links, then we have to create another file that is called sitemap.xml. Right. Now, what is sitemap? Sitemap is actually a map of our entire website.
Okay.
For example, let me go to a client.
Whichever pages and all are there, pura
exactly. Yes. So let me go to a website of my client, which I'm working for. Exhibition. Dubai. Right? They are into exhibition stands, tall buildings.
Okay.
So this is the number one top here.
Okay.
So this is the website of my client.
Yeah.
Now, if you have a look, there's a home page.
Yeah.
There's a page for Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, Oman, Saudi Arabia, and contact pages. Right. So all the pages except contact is into robot.txt. The rest are all about ranking. So there's no unwanted pages over here.
Right.
Now, when the unwanted pages are removed, what we do is we create a sitemap.xml. XML is the format of the file. If you can see this here.
Yes.
Right. Click on this.
Yeah.
This look like this. This one. You click on this. This look something kind of like this.
I see.
Right. So all these pages are good pages. You can see there is no about us, contact us, privacy policy pages over here. These are all pages which are about to be optimized or about to be ranked.
And this should always be done after we've done the no follow.
Exactly. This will work automatically. If the page is in Robots.txt, the sitemap software will not pull it. They will only pull the pages which are not in Robots.txt.
So which plugin is to help to create this XML file? There are many.
All-in-one SEO again.
All-in-one SEO will allow you to create it. So that part we must do after we have done this.
Yes.
Got it. Got it.
All right. So let me go back. Let's go to feature manager. If I can find all sitemap over there.
Sitemaps is there. See sitemaps. It's there as a separate function. No. See, if you go inside, there is sitemaps there.
Yes.
Okay.
That is there.
Enable sitemap.
Enable sitemap, open site. Oh, okay. And create is there?
Yes. Include all post type. Yes. Include all taxonomy. No.
Acha.
Taxonomy has not to be there. Only the pages. And save changes and it will be done. But I don't want to click it right now.
Right. So every time you click on save changes, it will recreate the file.
You create the file.
I see.
So there are bad pages over here, so I don't want to pull it.
So tell me one thing. The sitemap XML file is to be created, which will be website address / sitemap.xml. Right. Now, my question is, should it also be in the menu? No.
No.
Not necessary.
No. Now, what I say is the n number of sitemaps here, post archive, testimonial, client, projects. No, this is not needed. I need only this one, right? So go to filter, I remove all this taxonomy and everything. So I need only sitemap for page, not for even post. See, if you are into blogging, if your website is into blogging, then you can go with this. Now you can see this, all unwanted pages are here.
Yeah. Correct.
Right, so this will be removed if you use the pages in the Robots.txt, it's automatically removed.
See.
Right, so there are two ways. Either you put it in the Robots.txt, either you pull it down and go to the page, and just below the title and meta description, you'll find the option to no index the page.
So taxonomy is what?
Taxonomy are tags and category which you use in your blog.
I see. Okay. Okay. Can we take questions?
Yes, please.
Okay. So I think I'm going to just open up microphones as it's faster, easier. Lokesh allowed to talk and Anuya allowed to talk. You guys had a couple of questions in the Q&A. Go for it. Lokesh, go first, I guess.
Hi, Rishi. Hi, Anup. Good evening.
Hi, Lokesh.
Actually, my question is that if we create a affiliate page, okay, like any product for an affiliate page, and we are copying their content into our website, okay, and is it any effect on our website if we copy it?
If you're creating a landing page for affiliate, then it's fine, you can create it, but keep the page into no index, because because that page is non-optimized and it's going to hamper your ranking.
Okay, Lokesh?
Okay. Because I also find some content on Google ranking. Some websites are also ranking. Like one of my products, brand training for dogs. Some of bloggers are also doing blogging on that and ranking on the site. They are also copied their contents, even though they are on the first page of Google.
Yeah, the best part is your keyword don't have too much of competition. So even whatever you write will be ranking high if you have a good domain authority. Check out their DA, most DA. Their ranking is far better.
Was that done, Lokesh?
Yes, done.
Okay. Anuya, go for it. You had a question.
Hi Anu.
Hi, Maya.
This was the thing that you were talking about, penalty. So what does it actually mean? The website will not rank or anything else?
Yeah, the direct connection is this will pull down your website reputation in terms of SEO. What Google will fail is you are not dedicated and you are not keeping your house clean. So if your house is not clean, they will say, okay, this guy is very dirty. Stay away from him. So whatever ranking you want to get, will never be able to get that. So you'll never be able to outrank the competitor. Although you'll be ranking in the 4th or 3rd page, but you'll not be able to come on the 1st page because they are doing better than you. Their house is far cleaner than you.
Acha. And so like yesterday when I asked you about disabling the posts. So now there are many posts which are interlinked. Like since mine is a recipe blog, I usually put in कि आप ये भी try कर सकते हो, वो भी try कर सकते हो.
That is good.
Like, would you advise to completely optimize all the posts first and then work on getting traffic, or how do I put it?
Yeah. On page comes first, then comes off page. It's sequential. That's why even in the workshop, he's doing on page first, then he'll do off page, and then we'll talk of Search Console. Absolutely. You cannot have a messed up house, which is bad on page SEO, and then start working on off page. वो पूरा मेहनत पानी में जाएगा.
So, would you suggest कि I stop everything and first optimize all my posts and then start sharing like one by one what I am sharing currently? कि आज मैंने एक post update किया तो I am sharing it on the social media.
Sharing it on social media is fine.
Let me make it simple, right?
Please.
What happened is when I was giving my examinations, whatever in class 10 or 12 or graduation or post-graduation. So what I did is I first read the question paper. Question number 1, I attempted. Question number 2, attempted. I attempted almost all the questions given in the question paper correctly. And I submitted the paper only when I was sure that I've given my best in my answer sheet. So when the answer was submitted to the teacher, right, and he gave me a grade, I got E grade. Then only I started submitting it or putting it on the social media, right? Then only I told my parents, okay, I got 90 out of this. I told my students, I got 90 out of this. So you have to announce your result. You have to announce your web pages on social media only when you are satisfied. Okay, I have done the best. I've given my best already.
I love your analogy. I'm going to use it. ये तो बहुत मजा आया.
But I have a question.
The question number 1 and question number 2 are the points which I'm discussing on day 1 and day 2 and day 3, right? So I'm moving step by step. I started with the keyword research. I started with the competitor research. I compiled the title with the keywords and then this meta description, and I created the H1, right? And I told you how to create the content, right? When everything was done, I'm moving to the other part. Okay, this is done, but what about the penalty Google give you? So these are the 2 ways through which Google can penalize you.
Okay.
So you have to move step by step. Just follow my webinar day 1, just follow my webinar day 2, and just follow my webinar day 3.
Sure. Thank
you.
So
what is the reason? What is the reason when the page is already done? The page which I started yesterday for Angel Card Ready is almost done, optimized. We have got 80 out of 100 almost. So still I'm not indexing it as search. I'm not calling the robots because it's not only this page which is optimized, but there are other 953 pages which are not optimized. Yeah. So if Google come on my search on my pages, it's also going to find what is the result of other pages.
Right.
If I get a question answer, right? I mean, get a question paper. It's about 10 questions of 2 marks each, right? And I know answer of only 1 question, and I give my best. मैं 2 घंटे उसी को लिखने में लगाऊं 2 नंबर के लिए, and I'm leaving those 9 questions. So is it going to be good for me?
No.
Right? I'll have to attempt all these questions which are unknown to me. I write songs, I write poems, whatever things I can give, right? But I'll have to give best to my other 9, right? Because I know attempting one right question or attempting one right answer is not going to make me pass.
Right.
There are other roadblocks which have to be
cleared first. Yeah.
Very clear. Super.
Right. So just follow my webinar, and I'm going very step by step, and this is going to help you out. Right. right? This is going to help you out.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, Anu.
Anu, don't be disheartened. Just mehnat karo. That's all. I
When
know.
he says
Yeah,
it sounds damn easy, but when you actually have to do it on your own,
Why do you think Anup and me charge a lot of money for this service?
why do you think when you do it, you're like, fuck, you have to do it again, see it 1-2 times, keep seeing it again and again.
दूसरों लोगों का घर साफ करने में मेहनत बहुत लगता है, इसके लिए चार्ज मारते हैं.
I'm very happy with the way Lokesh is moving, right? He has
Right.
the interest into it. He's found his own keyword, his own niche, and he's writing articles, and he started getting ranked. But he need to be consistent, right? And he need to write articles on the consistent way. And after 3 or 4 months, he'll see good results. He's lacking in the off-page activity. I'll make him perfect in the off-page today. So it will be very easy for him. Maybe he has already started with this process. So I don't have to wait because he's doing a lot of research on YouTube and he's doing a lot of research on the blogs. So I can feel that the way he was asking me questions. So he has already started and I don't have to guide him. He can make his own way.
Yeah, Lokesh, yeah.
Wow, congrats.
Guys, believe me, this SEO is awesome thing, right? And when you get started, when you start ranking, you get the confidence, right? Even if you are ranking on the 3rd or 4th page like Lokesh, you get the confidence and you get the boost, and this will encourage you to do your work. And once you get started, believe me, this is going to make you the best in your industry. You'll get leads. The main reason why you are struggling or any organization struggling is just because of lack of queries and leads.
Yeah.
When you start getting the number of leads, you start minting money.
Yeah. Awesome. Great. Okay. I think that answered that. What are we doing next?
All right. Am I done with this part? Right?
Yes.
We're done with the way to find the bad pages, and we created a list on our notepad, and we went to Robots.txt file and we disavowed it, right? So when you have to disavow it, you have to remove it from the index. We use Robots.txt file, and all the robots are symbolized with the asterisk marks, right? So it's a star, right? So,
and what types of robots there is not of high importance right now.
See, every search engines have robots.
Achha,
Right?
achha.
For example, if I'm only optimizing my website for Bing, so we have to disable the robots from Bing, right? It doesn't matter Google because I'm not caring about the rank.
Got it.
Right? But I'm not worried only about Bing here or Google here. So let's disavow all the robots, right? If I'm ranking good, see, if I'm optimizing good for SEO and Google, right? So I'll be also ranking on Bing.
Correct.
So if extra traffic is coming from Bing, I don't have any problem with this.
Correct. Exactly. Got it.
So what I do is I don't recommend you for a particular robot, but I recommend you to disallow all the robots if possible. Work for search engine rather than working only for Google. Google is not a search engine, right? There are other search engines too, hundreds and thousands.
Correct. Got it.
So this part is done. So I'm done with the on page. So Robots.txt is done. Sitemap is done. Sitemap.xml. There are 2 sitemaps, HTML and XML. So sitemap HTML is not considered as SEO factor, right? That is only for UI, user UI interface. So what XML is only for the robots. So human beings will not able to understand XML sitemap.
Okay.
All right. So this is done. So I'm moving to the other part, backlink.
Yes.
This is most paining part. It's one of the pain you feel because creating backlinks are very boring. But you don't have to create tons of backlinks. You need to understand how much backlink your competitor have created.
And just have to exceed that a little bit.
Exactly. So what I do is I do a research on my competitor, and I only create the backlinks which they have created.
Okay.
Right. So if they are ranking, if they're ranking on page, I have better on page factor than them. If they're ranking on the off page, right? So what I have to do is I have to curate all their backlinks and create my own backlinks on them. Right. So this is what I do. So for example, if I'm on page 2, position 1, that's the 11th position, right? So if I want to come on the first page. So what I have to do is I'll have to curate all the backlinks of my competitor, which are on the first page, top 10. When I have all the backlinks of my competitors, which are the top 10, I get the power of 10 websites. And no one can stop me from being number one. Number one, the website on the number one is number one because it has its own backlinks. Number two has its own profile. Number three has its on profile, right? And each website has their own profile, backlink profile. But what if I have a profile of all those 10 websites? Getting?
Yeah.
So I don't have to be concise with only one profile, right? That is me, 11 Pro website, right? I don't have to create my own profile. I never create your own profile. Always create or duplicate the profile of all those websites which are ahead of you. If there are 10 websites ahead of you, replicate all the backlinks and create your own profile. That is the power of 10.
Achha.
If you create your own profile, you are only with the power of 1.
Right.
You yourself.
Got it.
Now, let's understand what I mean with this, right? So what I do,
Correct.
What I do, I go into Google and type right, put in your major keyword for which you want to rank for.
Yeah.
Open this website, 1, 2, and 3. Right. So you don't have to curate backlinks of the entire website, right? You have to curate backlink of only this page.
Achha.
Yeah. Now what I do, I go in the tool. I paste the URL, no prefix, exact. All right. This will pull up all the backlinks of this particular page. So let's understand. So this is the backlink profile I was talking about. Awesome, super.
So
they have only 83 backlinks.
Yeah, Anup, before
domains, and then they have, out of 83, they have around this many backlinks. So 100 backlinks per website. So no, we don't have to create 800 backlinks. We have to create only 83 backlinks here. Am I done?
No, I'm not clear. Just say that again.
Now, can you see they have created 863 backlinks on 83 websites, different websites.
Okay.
Right? So I don't have to create 863. I'll have to create only 83.
And you'll get the same power. Same power as that.
Same power as that. Yep.
I see.
See, if you're creating 10 backlinks even on one website, it gives you the value of only one. Yep.
So that means these guys are not as smart as you.
Maybe they are smart, of course, but maybe they have done mistakes. So why do we have to follow their mistakes? Right? Let's pull the best part of them. every person, any good person always have a bad virtue, right? So why follow the bad virtues? Follow the best one.
Okay, so Anup, two things. One, Shiba is asking a question. Can you define what is a backlink? So
a backlink, yep. For that, let's do practically. Let me go to the backlink. I'll show you what a backlink is.
Yeah.
The perfect definition is a link which link you back to your website. It's called backlink. If this is my website, this one is my website URL, and if this URL is placed on another website related to me, right? And if someone click on that, he come back to my website. So that is called a backlink. A link which send traffic back to your website is called a backlink. Now let's have a look practically. Now, this website is psychic, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is good. This is have a DR of 34, but this is crap. Even this is crap. This is crap. This all are crap. Never create backlinks or any website which are having a DR. DR is a domain rating. Anything less than 25.
I see.
right? So these are all crap. I
I
can
see.
think about it, but this is all crap.
We should.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and creating backlink on low profile website is going to hurt your SEO.
Acha, it's going to give negative ranking.
Right? अगर आप, even if you are a good person and आपकी दोस्ती चोरों के साथ है, तो आप भी चोरी कहलाओगे. वो चोर के साथ घूम रहा था. although आपने चोरी नहीं किया था, लेकिन आप चोर के साथ घूम रहे. वो देखो चोर के साथ घूम रहे, ये भी चोरी. So Google is going to penalize you also with them.
Correct. No, I love your analogies, yaar. Anu. इतने सारे से सिखा रहा है. Analogies बहुत अच्छा लगा. Shiba,
So,
did you get clarity on what is a backlink? Your mic is muted.
Yes, I could get, but my question is, suppose if I put or publish my post on my LinkedIn, can I make LinkedIn my back profile?
No.
Backlink profile?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes,
How can
you
it
can
be?
get a backlink from LinkedIn.
LinkedIn, you said, is not considered. No, Google disqualifies LinkedIn for a backlink.
Google will take it, but it will not take you as a ranking factor. But backlink is counted.
Okay.
So, कुछ फायदा है करने के लिए? Is there
Yeah,
a
domain authority is different and ranking is something different.
नहीं, मतलब मेरा एक, so for example, we have some clients, right? They have got a LinkedIn account. You're saying that landing page, putting it on LinkedIn is not going to impact the number, the
You are confused with the landing page. She's talking about if I put my URL on my LinkedIn blog article. So
yes,
that will create a backlink.
Yeah.
Right. So let's discuss about what is wrong with those other clients. So that is discussed later on. But
okay.
This is different, right? So if she's writing an article, right, related with a theme, a niche, and she's putting the source over there, this is what backlink is, right? So this is different. The content is different on LinkedIn, and content is different on the web page. This scenario, the content cannot be same. The other scenario I'm talking about.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
Now, let's click on this. Now, have a look, guys. They have 83 backlinks, sorry, 83 domains, right? Through which they are getting backlinks. But what I say is some of the domains are very poor and pathetic. So you don't have to create backlinks over there. I think only websites which are having a domain authority higher than 25 is, I think you'll get hardly 40 or 30, 35 websites over here. So you don't have to create backlink on all 83 websites. Now, this one. Can you see? Right. Now, what I say is, this is a website, which is a Dutch website. Yes. They have got one backlink from this website. And on this website, they got 9 backlinks. And on this website, they got 2 backlinks. So let me open this website. Contactor is a website which helps you to create contact us pages. So these are 2 websites which are no follow backlink.
Okay.
The backlink is counted into 2 different parts. It's called do follow and no follow. No follow are one time and do follow is multiple time. No follow means if robot come on this page over here, they find your URL, where it is. Let's see where it is. Okay, this one. Control F, Control B. Can we find this? Okay. Okay. These are the backlinks they have got. If I click on this, I'll go back to this website. So this is called a backlink. Shiva, are you done with this?
Yes,
this website,
thank you.
URL of this website is over here. on this website, which is having a DR of 63. So it's a very good website, and I'm connected with a good website with a good SEO score, right? If you're connected with a good website with good SEO score, your score is also going to increase, right? So this is called a backlink. This is my website. I mean, complete a website, and this been linked with this URL on this website. Am I done? And there were 2 backlinks here. So how to create this backlink on this website? All you have to do is come over here and enter your subdomain, this, and they will automatically create your backlink. Let me create it on the home page.
So that means the way to create a backlink in different websites, we have to learn that it will be different for everyone.
Different for everyone, yes.
So you are saying it's boring to do this. It might be impossible for other people because they don't want to. उनको चमकेगा ही नहीं. ये कैसे करने?
The point over here is it's only boring if you are working. If you're creating backlinks which are not needed, right? I'm not asking you to create 83 backlinks here. I'm also asking you to create 20, 25 backlinks of this website. Only the high profile. See, how many websites do we have?
Yeah.
Only till here? Only till here, right?
Till 27, yeah.
Right. These are not needed.
Okay.
Even if you create backlinks on this website within a week, that's a big work. Awesome. For the next week, go to the other competitor, create their backlinks. Then you don't have to put in all the day over here. But if you create all the backlinks, all your competitor backlinks in a day, of course, you're going to get a good ranking faster.
Okay. Cool. So you're going to create one. No, you can't create a backlink right now. No, we don't want to do any backlink.
No, I cannot create it, but I can guide you how they have created it. Right. So let me go over here.
But how do you know which one you're choosing?
I didn't get you.
Means how do you know which one to choose?
Which one is?
Which one to choose?
See, the criteria is already here. Anyone with the DR 25 plus, you can move ahead.
Okay, so any of these.
Anything with a score 25 and above,
25
those websites you have to go to and figure out how to do the backlink.
Okay.
Yes.
It will be different per website.
Okay.
And how do you know which websites to go to? You look at your competitors, type the keyword, find your competitors and search that. That you will watch the recording again.
Yeah, that I know. I'll have to see it 2-3 times.
Yeah.
Now, this one.
Achha,
This is pure gold. If you want to rank in India, that create backlinks on Indian websites. This is pure gold.
Anup, 1 second. Anup, 1 second. I just want to make clear something to everybody, Natasha and everybody else. The way to proceed with backlinking is you have to first get the Ahref tool so that you can know where to go.
Yeah, I'm getting that.
So step 1 is to get the Ahref tool, not just watch the recording. Watching the recording is the first part. Second step is to go get the Ahref.
Yeah, of course.
Sorry, Anup, continue. Why did you say that particular website is damn good? That is gold, you said something.
Yeah, it's gold because we want to rank in India and this is .in. If you create backlinks only on Indian websites, you're going to rank fast in India.
Achha.
So if you want to rank fast in US, then you have to search for .us websites. If you want to rank high in UK, then create backlinks on co.uk websites. Now, this is way you can create backlinks. Now, there's another way you can create fast backlinks. This is the keyword research. This is must recommended. This has to be done. All the keyword for which your competitor are ranking, you have to finish all this link profile, right? This is compulsory for you. Now, when this is done, what next? right? What next? If you had created almost 100 backlink, all of your competitors, now what next, right? You have to keep creating backlinks.
Yes.
Right? For that, you have to move into blog commenting part, and that will help you out. It's very easy, and you can create around 100 backlinks per day, just in 2 or 3 hours, right? And those are high profile backlinks, more relevant with your niche. So this is going to count very good. So for that, let me move to Content Explorer, right? So am I clear with this part?
Yes, but Lokesh has a question.
Yes.
Can you please make a backlink for my niche? How do
Yes, why not? Can dogs eat tomato?
first find the article and then
Yes.
copy paste into Ahref as Explorer.
Exact.
Exactly. Okay.
$53 domains and good to go. This one, open this. Search for this.
So this writerblog.net guy, oh, it's giving an error.
This server error, but don't have to worry. This looks like a blogging website where you can create a profile on this website. It's like Medium, right?
Acha.
And go over here, create a profile and start writing. When you write an article over here, when you create a content from AI, articles writing website, Article Forge, and just come over here, paste the article. Don't have to optimize, just create H1, H2, and that's more than enough. And just put your backlink, and that you get a good backlink over here, free backlinks. So you get a free backlink on DR72. Okay, Lokesh, this is going to help. Again, this is a blogging website. Just go over there, create a profile. These are like blogger.com, free website where you can create blogs. See,
Okay.
this is how someone had created his blog and put in the URL. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Can you see this over here?
Yeah.
It's a blog which is do follow back. See, can you see this? Yeah. So this is one of the easiest way.
I see.
They have got n number of backlink. That's it.
Okay. Anuya has a couple questions.
Yes.
Somehow my website seems to have got backlinks from unwanted sources. Will it affect my SEO score? Is there any way I can remove it?
Yeah, you can do that. There's another tool, secret tool, that's called disavow tool, which I'll be talking about tomorrow in the search console.
Okay, great. So
Do
she should
remind me
ask the
tomorrow.
question again.
Do remind me tomorrow.
Oh.
I'll work live project on your profile. Project tomorrow, right? I'll create a webmaster tool for you tomorrow, search console, and I'll teach you how to do that. And you'll do that in front of everyone tomorrow. Okay, clear. So, Lucas, can you see this? This is our blog website. Again, a blog website. Again, a blog website. Blogging website. Blogging website. Blogging website. Blogging website. Blogging website. blogging website.
Yeah.
So this guy is very, very clever. What he have done is they have created a list of all the blogging websites which giving do follow backlinks, and he's blogging on those websites regularly. So you can create profile on all these websites and create content or article forge and paste it over here and get a backlink for free of cost. These are all blogging websites. These are all blogging websites. Awesome. This blogging website can be used by everyone over here. Everyone, right. Yes. And you can see that DR is awesome.
Okay, Anuya has one more question. Does sharing my URL as part of an answer on Quora qualify as a backlink?
Yeah, anything that is on another website that can give you a link which can go back to your website is called a backlink. But don't put too many of links on Quora. They can disable or they can remove your account as per Quora guidelines. One a day is more than enough.
That's an important disclaimer.
Yeah, of course, yes, because my team has been disabled many times. We have lost our accounts.
One link in a day, no?
One link a day for Quora is enough. Very good. When you are almost 2 or 3 months old, you can go with the maximum of 3 backlinks.
Achha, Lokesh's question, most of my website does not approve comment backlinks.
Yeah. Why are you working on those websites which are not approving you, right? You have a list of all the websites over here. Have a look. These are all blogging websites. All you have to do is to go and create a profile over there, can create content on article forge, paste it over here, put in your URL, done, boom, you get a backlink, done. Just within 2 or 5 minutes, you get a backlink. Or on DR72 websites. Wow, awesome. What else you need? So this is the reason why this website is on top. These are all blogging websites. This is very, 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 very cunning guy, very clever guy. See, he's creating backlinks only on those blogging websites,
which are allowing him to write articles and
yes, and they're getting free articles, so it's good for them also.
Correct. So किसी और ने मेहनत किया या आर्टिकल फॉर्ज को यूज किया लेकिन अपना वेबसाइट का कंटेंट बढ़ा दिया. Google is thanking you.
Yes, and they're giving you a backlink. So this is recommended for all the people over here. So this will give you a very awesome backlink profile. So even I found this good, and I lost my team to work upon this from tomorrow.
Okay. Lokesh, you got to answer.
So am I done with this part? Am I done with this part of computer research, right?
Yeah.
On backlink. So let's move to another part where you can get free websites where you can create more backlinks and faster approval. So those are the Blogspot websites, and they are themed websites. This website not themed to you, right? These websites are not related with tarot card, angel card reading, right? These websites are not related with angel card reading. They are normal general websites where you can put your content, right? So this will not give you too much of importance, good ranking. For that, what you have to do is, can you come on the Content Explorer? And put your keyword. Right? Keep it short. Don't keep it long. Like this has to be the theme of your service, right? Angel card reading is my keyword, but I'll not use reading. I'll use angel card, right? And keep a space, and I'll blogspot.com.
Achha.
Right? What will happen is if there are millions of blogspots and they have content about angel card, they will be pulled down.
Achha.
Right? But not everywhere, only in URL. Right? This formula is going to work for you.
Achha.
Right? All the Blogspot websites which have angel card content in their URL will be pulled. Right? And you have to open that website, a blog, and just you have to go and comment on it. and you get an instant backlink. Let me do this.
So Natasha, just watch this
Yes.
and then see if you are able to follow it or not. This is not only you, but everybody will have to do something like this.
Okay.
This is a magical thing, and you'll not learn this trick anywhere else. Right? This is my personal recipe.
Right.
So I got around 6,000 web pages, but what I do is I filter it one page per domain.
Right, because we only want one per domain.
Yes, I don't want many pages from one domain.
Correct, correct.
One page.
Because creating one backlink on a one domain is equal to, right?
Right. तो 10 लगा, 1 लगा, तेरे को एक ही पॉइंट मिलेगा.
Exactly.
Correct. So many things, small things that matter, which will reduce the effort drastically, right? Just by
Yes.
knowing
See,
what.
experience is going to help you out.
Correct.
When you're regular into it, the experience will help you.
Correct.
And you know what? I'm just teaching you the very basic parts of this.
Right. It keeps going advanced and advanced.
No, I think this basic is enough for us. It's okay.
See, there are only two things that can happen. You do the basics, and you either get fatigued and say, Anup, ye mera paisa le karke de de. Or you become like Lokesh, you learn the basics and then you say, Anup, can you do an advanced course also?
I'm teaching you only the tip of the iceberg. Only, I think it's only the 2% or 2.5%, not even 3%, which I have taught you.
Right. Because the rest हम लोग को समझेगा ही नहीं. वो तो बहुत
See, that will only be understood when you have achieved something, right? When you are ranking on second or the first page and you want something more.
Correct.
So I think after this session, I need a session.
First, you need to finish up your homework, right? When you start showing up somewhere in the third or fourth page.
Correct. घर साफ करना पड़ेगा.
Yep.
हाँ. ये आया नहीं लोड होया.
I think there's a problem with the bandwidth. Let me turn off the videos for some time.
नहीं, I think bandwidth is fine, यार.
Sure?
Go to, I think SEO tool.com right now is too much of group is happening, you know. That's why the $99 of Ahref को लेना पड़ता है.
Premium and
yeah, if you go to Ahref, मेरे ख्याल से instantly fast आ जाएगा, right?
Of course, yes.
कहाँ 7,000 महीने का 250 rupees per month, यार.
Yes.
Correct.
But that is good for the enterprise level, and if you're working for an agency. But if you're working as a freelancer, then go with this.
Correct. You just have to wait. ये सर्च करके जाके चाय बना के आ जाओ फिर.
Sometimes fast, but I don't know why it's taking time. Done.
Okay.
One per domain. Now, when I'm doing one per domain, it's getting problem. Okay, let's wait for this.
In the meantime, Lokesh, ask your question. You asked.
Yes.
Mike.
Actually, my question is that you are suggesting that one domain is equal to one backlink.
One backlink on one domain is equal to any n number of websites on our domain.
Okay. But like I have 10 content, 12 articles. Okay, 10 articles, and अगर मैं एक ही वेबसाइट से अलग-अलग पोस्ट के लिए अलग-अलग बैकलिंक लेता हूँ, तो क्या हो सकता है?
You understood the question, Anup? Can I explain the question? I know his question.
Yes, please.
He's saying कि मेरे पास 10 article है, which the URLs are different for all 10. Correct? Now, there is a website which is a very good website. So he has put the first article as a backlink on that website. Now, these other 9 articles, can he not use that same website for the second article, third article, fourth article, fifth article, and so on? Or is that also considered only one?
You know what? This strategy which Lokesh is following, I don't know why most of the people in India follow this, but this is not the right way of creating backlink. The backlink has to be created on the home page. only create backlink only on homepage.
Acha, not on all the articles.
Not required. See,
Got
if
it.
you want to rank a particular keyword, only a particular keyword, and if you're targeting only a 5 or 6 websites, if you have 5 or 6 services page, that's it. Or if you have 2 or even 1 page that has to be ranked, then you can start creating backlink on the particular page. But if you are a blogger, see,
Yes.
doing backlink strategy for a commercial website is different, and creating backlink for a blog is something different. Right? For blogs, you don't have to create backlink for each and every pages.
Right.
Right?
Okay,
Create
you got
backlink on
that.
the home page and link your new articles or articles on the footer of the page, home page. Now, what will happen is you get link juice on the home page, right? You get value on the home page, and your home page is linked with the other services, other posts, right? So what will happen if robot come on the home page from the backlink, it will also move to the other pages. You're done.
लोकेश तू समझ में आया ये? This is very important. तेरा तो blog है ना?
हाँ समझ में, blog है मेरा.
And yours is blog. You're doing master blogging course का जो ad revenue चाहिए. Traffic आएगा, top पे आएगा, तो you can do affiliate marketing and you can do ad revenue. Correct?
Correct.
यही तेरा दो
example. I don't know. It's a very weird example. Let me look at my hand, right? So what if I have to draw a star? What I do is I create a dot, and from the dot I create lines from everywhere, right?
Yeah.
So what happened is the light is moving into the dot, or the other lines are connected with the dot. So create backlink on the dot, and the link juice will be reflected or diverted on all the pages.
Yeah, Anup, ये analysis कहाँ से मिलता है यार?
This is what, because I'm a trainer. I train people with the digital marketing. I have all these ideas in me because I know this question has to come, so I have this handy. Okay, so you got it.
Yes, sir.
Create backlink on your homepage.
That's
Get authority. Now, point over here, Lukesh. If you have a good domain authority, I told you when you started with the class, I told you when you have a good domain authority, even if you write sit on your blog, you're going to rank. Getting it? Because you have a domain authority. Whatever you speak, Google is going to listen because they feel, okay, this guy has done good homework and chalo galti se kuch galat bol sakta hai, but negligible. So create backlink on the domain. So if you go back in this video, right? If you see, I created a backlink for Natasha. I didn't create it on her angel card reading page. I created it on a home page.
Oh, अच्छा.
Are you getting it? And the home page also have the navigation button service, and the service is also connected with the angel card reading. So the robot will ultimately go and index that.
Okay.
Clear?
I'm clear. Lokesh, are you?
If you are targeting
Yes,
for a particular page, then go with page to page. But if you are a blogger, never create backlinks with the page to page. Create is to a page to domain.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Right. If you are having a commercial website, then create backlink for that particular page because you have only 1 or 2 pages to be ranked. All right, so move ahead.
Just one more question. Although I have got the answer and I'm copying it and pasting it for Anuya, her question is, can you explain what is domain authority?
Yep. This is domain authority.
Domain authority.
Count I gave you 72, 75, right? DR. This is called domain rating. It's also called domain authority. And domain authority can only be counted when your on-page score is good. It's more than 80. And your off-page score is good. It's more than 25, right? So you have to create backlink from good high authority websites, which is 25 plus. So I'll not be putting it to 1 per page, right? It's getting time for me. So what I do is, can you see this DR? This is called domain authority. Can you see this, guys? Yeah. This is called domain authority. So you have to create backlink with a good DRO website, not with a bad DRO websites, right? Because they have been judged and they have been given a good reputation where you are not there. You are still in zero DR, right? So zero DR get backlink from high DR. Of course, the link just passes in and you get a good DR the later on, right? So I click on this. So what I say is Christmas card, Angel Christmas card. So it's not a problem, but Angel and card is there. So I open this and scroll down. And can you see this? People already been here, 10 people.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And
so the chances are she'll also approve Natasha's post.
of course, yes. Can you see post a comment?
Yeah.
But what I say is people are already here, but no one have created a backlink because the guys are genuine comments, right? And they have no website and they're not here to motive of creating backlink. Can you see? None of them have created a backlink here. So the chance is high that Natasha will get a backlink. Now post a comment. Click on this.
But we should not create it now. We should clean the house and then create it, right?
Yep.
So
But
we will. You show us how to do it, but don't click on submit. Me and Natasha will come back and do it here.
Yes. Okay. What happens is they have disabled the comment, so it's not a problem. Go out.
Oh, acha, they banned kiya wo log.
Yes.
You can go to the next one.
Just look.
Natasha, you're following.
Yeah, I'm trying.
You have to basically find a website which you can put a backlink. And the finding, according to Anup, is boring. In my view, it's time consuming. It takes time to do it. You have to keep trying.
Okay.
Not all websites will be open to accepting comments.
Comments, okay.
That is what makes this a what I would call Gada Majuri Kaam.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's tiring.
But I'm asking you just to create around 10 to 20 a backlink. That's more than enough.
So यहाँ पे भी we will put it, but not click submit, not click publish, no?
Right. So I publish it. I'm not putting any link. Let me see if it's getting automated approval.
Achha.
So it's got approved.
You can delete that comment now.
I can delete it, but it's not a problem because I didn't put in any content over there. I got it approved. Got it approved, but it may take time to come over here. Yeah. So you don't have to worry about if I approve or not. You have to just come over here, put your content, and keep going. So your chances are high. Out of 100.
ये वाला link जरा chat पे भेजना. This me and Natasha will do tomorrow. Natasha, this ये वाला page. No, not this one. The blog page. जो अभी उसमें comment तो hi बोला था ना hi.
All right.
You did hi over there.
Bobani.
Which one?
Bobani.
The bunny.
The Bo Bunny. This ये वाला link जरा content पे देना. Chat पे दे दे. Thanks, Anu.
Sent. Right, this is a way, right? So you can download these links for your offline activities. Can you see this here? You can export this.
Yeah, wow, that's
and
great.
You get this, yes. You don't need to come over here every time. So you can export it. All your backlinks, 6,000 backlinks will come over here.
I see. Wow.
Okay, export.
So whenever you feel time, you don't have to go to SEO Tool. You have to come over here on your Excel sheet and done.
Got it. सही है. Very good.
So to create backlink, this is one of the fastest and the best way. I'll recommend you guys.
ठीक है.
Those people who feel lazy and those who don't want to invest time. So this kind of backlink is one of the best suggestions for you guys. So you can move ahead. So comment ही तो करना है.
ठीक.
So but you'll have to find which is allowing you to comment or which is not allowing you to comment.
Okay.
But don't comment anything below 25 of DR.
Okay.
You have to be ahead of 25. Post a comment, and you can only comment when you are logged in with your Gmail ID.
Right. I get a lot of people asking for comments. I approve only the ones that are genuine. They are relevant.
So exactly.
हाँ, उसका जो link है is related to what I have written. So then I approve it.
Then you will get approved. Yes.
Yeah.
So can you see this? Owner will approve you. So don't write anything dirty over here. Only write anything which is related with this page. So you can write maximum of 3 or 4 lines. That's more than enough.
Anup, I have a question. Suppose हमने एक comment डाला, which was a genuine comment to related to that thing. उसमें link नहीं डाला, backlink नहीं डाला, and then it gets approved. Okay. Now the author may reply to it, may not reply to it. Then I only reply to my post and I put a backlink. ये चलेगा or not a good idea?
Again, it will go for approval.
Again, it will go for approval.
Exactly. You cannot be smart.
वही कमेंट में डालना चाहिए. आया तो आया, नहीं आया तो नहीं आया.
Exactly.
अच्छा, ठीक.
Most, I think 70% of the links over here will give instant approval.
Okay, guys, I want to tell you all something, and Anup, tell me if this is okay. Okay, in the next Q&A live session with Anup, if you guys have cleaned up your websites and you all have got the Ahref tool and you all have got the places that you want to put the comments, we can do one session with you on the live session, because it will take you some time to get it done. So I think we will guide 1 or 2 people, whoever, Lokesh, Natasha, Anuya, you guys are the most active out here. So we will do a live backlinking for you guys on your own website in the live Q&A session next live Q&A session. क्या बोलते हैं अनूप, ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right.
Thanks.
Great. Next, so backlinking is done? Or we?
Yeah, I'm done with the backlink part. See, I've done with the very important backlink part, that was through analyzing your competitor's backlink and creating backlink footsteps on their backlinks, right? So that was the most important part. But when that is done, then you have to come over here with this this syntax, and you have to curate all the blogs content or your website which are relevant with your website or niche. Download it and start creating backlink on them also.
ठीक है. Lokesh is saying my house is 80% clean. Good. Okay, great.
So a lot of work to be done on Natasha websites still. Right?
Yeah.
The part has to be done, and all the pages, service page has to be optimized, right? The URL with the title, with the keyword research, so much of things. So even if you are working on your on-page part 2 days a week, that's more than enough. Even you're working on Saturday and Sunday, right? If you're optimizing 2 pages per week, so you are optimizing 8 services page per month. So I think maximum, I think you have 8 services pages, not more than that.
Yes.
So that is going to work.
Yeah. So my question is, Anup, for tomorrow's Search Consoles day, right? I guess Natasha and me will try to do something tomorrow, but घर को तो बहुत गंदा है, वो बहुत साफ करना है, तो शायद कल शाम के 9 बजे के पहले नहीं हो पाएगा. So we are not going to again do anything on Search Console. Means you will show us, but we can't use Natasha's website to do Search Console क्योंकि घर बहुत गंदा है ना.
No, it's not about Natasha's website, because I'll not be able to index it, because her pages are not well optimized. So what I'm doing, I'll use my one of the client's website.
I think
I'll work on the live, because although if I start with Natasha's website, because the Search Console will be completely zero, right, without any data. So make no sense to understand. So I'll work upon the competitor website for which I give you a keyword, that exhibition stand contractor in Dubai, right? I'll work upon that.
Super. I think that makes no sense. Natasha, don't feel bad. We have nothing against you.
Are you mad? Why will I feel bad? Please give me a break.
I'm just saying. I'm just
And
clarifying.
even if you follow the steps and strategy, which I'm going to give you tomorrow on my computer website, right?
Yes.
Search console, you have to follow the same strategy parallel for your website.
Okay.
Got it.
Right? So even if I'm giving you data, I'm working on the data of my my clients, right? So it will be the same almost to work upon your website. So
Okay.
the parallel strategy are going to work.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, as far as Anuya, your question, your website will take time to get optimized. In fact, for next. Yeah, I don't think we're doing it in any rush because we want questions to come only then schedule a session. In fact,
Yeah.
I think we can schedule it in a week's time whenever we are ready. हम लोग सब WhatsApp group पे है जिसको
हाँ.
questions है. You know what? I think what we'll do is we'll just make it very simple. Just email me your questions to my email address, right? I will keep a folder for Anup. The moment I have more than 10 questions, I will schedule the next live session with Anup. Because Anup is ready to answer if there are questions, right? So that's how I think we will do it. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are going to help you out to optimize your web pages. So you don't have to worry, right? So if you have any question, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. So I'm very active on the WhatsApp rather than on Gmails, right? So you will get an instant answer over there. So
yeah,
we're not doing here to teach you what SEO is. We're going to help you out to do it for yourself, what SEO is and how you can work on SEO, right? Tomorrow, Natasha, do let me know because I have to work upon your GMB, local SEO, right? So I'll work upon the local SEO part also, and I'll optimize it tomorrow and see if we can get a result on top of the search result tomorrow itself. So I will do a magic tomorrow.
So that is local SEO you're doing tomorrow.
Local SEO can be ranked easily in a day, within an hour, right? But off-page activities and global SEO is really difficult because you have to work upon a number of pages and then you have to create a backlink. That again, you have to wait to get a domain authority. Until you get a domain authority, you'll not be ranked anywhere, right? So.
Okay, so Lokesh has a question. His question is there a way that you can go to the SEO tool Adda and see his website? See, if you open Q&A, you'll see his website link is there. Can you check if his currently uska ranking kaisa hai?
You know what, Lokesh, everyone is going to copy your theme and they will become your competitor over here.
I don't know. Why did you call it Vinayak? Your name is Lokesh. Why you call it Vinayak Dog Trainer and Care?
Actually, in the starting, I wanted to make for dog training. After that, I find a very wonderful niche. So that
it doesn't matter what your domain name is. What matter is what your effort in SEO is.
No, I was just
Twitter.com. What do you mean by Orkut? No. It will take time because your domain is completely new. It will take time. Let me check if what is the CMS you're using? WordPress?
Yes, WordPress.
Let me see if you have technical issues. This is the problem. This is the reason why you are not getting good ranking. Can you see you're not having HTTPS? Yes.
It is secure. I already have Cloudflare.
No, you should auto
it's not redirected. Yes.
Sorry.
So this is the reason why you are missing. Yes. This is the reason why you're not getting any data on href.
So go to Google and type how to auto redirect HTTP to HTTPS. There will 2-3 options milega. You have to implement it.
Now there's a big threat over here. The threat is the same content is ranking on this domain and the same content is also ranking on HTTPS or the domain. So Google will consider them as 2 different domains or the same content on 2 different domains and they'll count them as a duplicate content. And this is the reason why you're not ranking good.
Oh shit. So kya karu? What does he do?
Redirect 301. Use a plugin 301 redirect, right? And go over there, redirect non-HTTPS to HTTPS.
Lokesh, you got that?
Yes.
Or you can use the STXS file. I think Rishi can help you with.
Yes. You can schedule a call with me on Zoom.
You are lucky you asked me this question to audit your website, and this was caught.
Shit.
Before yesterday I checked, it is HTTPS. Today I don't know.
I know
HTTPS
you
is
have
there.
changed it. If I open it with HTTPS command, it will open.
But HTTP is not redirecting there, and that is
Not
creating a
redirecting. This will open, yes. But only if you open with HTTPS.
correct. Lokesh, मेरे से
Now this content is on this website, and again this content is on non-HTTPS website also.
so right now it is
different
duplicate. Once the redirection is done, then it is okay. Correct.
Yes, yes. Because 301 redirect is one of the ways through which you telling Google that okay, my website has moved from this to this.
Okay. Lokesh, please
Yes.
connect with me offline on, online on Zoom tomorrow. We'll schedule a time and I'll show you and help you with this in case you're stuck. Okay.
Okay, sure.
ये important है यार, तेरा इतना मेहनत पानी में जा रहा है.
I don't know about it.
चलेगा.
I
Good.
can smell and tell you what is wrong with your website. It takes only 5 seconds.
ठीक है. Great.
But, can you send me that Excel sheet of angel card?
No. First we have to clean up house. Then we have to get Ahref. Then we do that.
But at least you take it up, then I'll take it from you later.
No, the point is that, we are thinking of something जो 2 साल के बाद करना, we are worrying about that now.
Okay, fine.
No point. Let's clean up that. Let's stick to the sequence of what Anup has said.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I think Anup's sequence.
Any questions over here? If you have any doubt with today's session or yesterday's session, you can ask me anything over here. I'll make it clear because that has to be clear today itself. Otherwise, you'll forget everything. So if you have any questions, please ask in the Q&A and let's finish it up today. And tomorrow we are going to work on 2 profiles. First will be Search Console and other will be, I'll be ranking Natasha's local SEO. So that will be ranked tomorrow itself. So we'll try to rank it on first page of search engine tomorrow itself. So that will be amazing.
Thank you.
One more question from Anuya. Is my website misleading? Is it too broad for the category? Should I think about renaming it to something closer to the niche like home cooked food / ghar ka khana?
So what's the domain name? Can you take her online?
Yes, yes, Anuya allowed to talk. Here we go. Anuya, go for it. There it is. HTTPS flavors from India. This is the one. Flavorsfromindia.com.
Yes, I have been thinking about this, Anup, because I feel that this is a very, categorically it is a very broad thing. So will renaming help me?
No, if you're renaming it, you're going to make it back to 0.
Acha.
Because it will be complete new websites.
Okay, but because now the name is Flavors from India, and I have been also adding content about health improvement, what you can eat and all that stuff apart from recipes. So
yes, this is misleading. You're right. So why don't you take a domain on your name itself?
Like Anuya dot something.
.net, yes, .com, .in, .net. But if you're trying to get traffic for all over the globe, don't take .in. Recommended are .com, .online, .org, .net.
अच्छा, but I am not that famous यार. Like जैसा आपका वो tarladalal.com है, she was very famous, so she can that website can rank easily.
So we are going to make you famous. She was not famous, and I made her famous online. She was my client.
She was famous on TV, I think. But to make her famous on online, it was Anup Prasad.
Oh, it's rocking.
Yeah. She is on top because of optimization. She's not on top because she was famous in TV, so either automatically famous nahi hua.
Exactly.
वो तो अनूप ने करवा दिया ना.
I'm talking about by time where we used to have DD1, right? Cable was very difficult to get in our house, right? We were on DD1 by that time. I'm talking about 98. Sorry, I'm talking about 2005 2005. Sorry.
Yeah.
Right? 2004, 2005,
Right,
cable TV was not reachable in almost all the houses.
Yes,
Right?
yes.
And Sony TV was not that famous by that time. So she was only coming on Sony TV for around 1 hour or around 40 minutes. Right? So
Yeah.
she was not that famous. But after she got her blog, millions of people came to know who the Dalal is, and now she's all gone. But her um, granddaughter is taking care of the blog, and she's making money, 4 lakhs rupees per month.
Wow. That 4 lakh is based on ad revenue.
Ad revenue. She's
Wow.
only into AdSense.
My God, 4 lakhs on AdSense. Anup, what a freaking number that is, yeah.
Okay, so
Just
you
ads.
help me with a new blog name and something like that then, and help me.
Do one thing. Go on Query and give me some suggestions in my personal chat, and let me see if I can help you out. I'll suggest you which to move ahead. Right? Give me. See, I cannot force the domain name onto you, right? It cannot be that I ask you to go with this particular domain and you take it, right? Yeah, you take your own decisions. Give me a suggestion with around 10 options, right? I'll select one and you can move ahead.
Okay, yeah, will do. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Super.
Lokesh, is it an affiliate marketing link you have put in?
Yes, Anup.
Wow. You know what, guys? This CBD. If we get one sale, is going to get $60 for one sale. So this is
20%. 20%.
20%. So this is CBD, and this is only for dogs. Awesome. And I think you're missing with the internal linking.
नहीं but bottom में
The
किया है
internal linking are missing. Put
Bottom में.
list 4 links in your website, web page. This is fine, but this is not going to work. Put it in between your content.
Okay.
And that is in
This is
each page. In each page, you should have 4 links.
list 4, yes. Your internal pages, yes. What happens is if this link get indexed, this page get indexed, right? This page also have a backlink of other pages, right? The robot will move it to the other 4 pages also.
Achha.
So your indexing rate will increase by 4 times.
Oh, wow. Interesting. Okay, one more question from Sushant Shah. If some part / words are same on my website and other one not the entire page, then does it affect the ranking or do I get to? No, I'm not sure the question. Hang on. Let me open the microphone. Sushant, hopefully your microphone is working. Can you explain your question, please?
Yeah, Rishi and Anu, basically what I'm asking is, suppose there's a product and it has been very beautifully described somewhere else, and you copy paste the description of the product on your page, whereas the other content is different. So in that case, will Google take that much part as copied from somewhere else and my website will be penalized or rank below, or I need to completely
Yes.
rewrite everything from scratch?
Sushant, Google do know that there are something, there's some other paragraph or line that cannot be original, right? So, for example, you're putting some quotes, right? The quotes are quotes. If Steve Jobs have said something, it has to be similar, right? Right. And if you're copying it and putting in your blog, Google is not going to penalize you. Yep. If the label increases more than 15% of the entire website,
Okay.
then it will be called as a penalization. How can you check if it's more than 15%? All I have to do is copy all the content of your page and go to duplicate checker. Check over there, and it will come to know if it's 75%, 85%, whatever. If it's less than 15%, then it's good to go.
Okay.
If it increases by 15%, suppose it's 20 or 25%, dilute the duplicate by rewriting the content of a few lines of that, and it will become original. So that will bring back to less than 15%. Until 15% duplicacy is fine. If it's more than 15% duplicacy, you're going to be hit.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Got it? So duplichecker.com is one of the ways through which you can analyze what are the duplicate content and what are the percentage of the particular duplicate content is.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next question is from Shiba. can I put backlinks in footer?
You can put backlinks in footer, you're allowed for that. But as I say to locate, putting backlinks or internal linking on the upper fold of the website give you more SEO value than putting in the footer. Footer is fine, you can put it, no problem. But if you're putting it in the upper fold, it's fine. Try not to put it in the footer, but try to put it in the navigation bar on the top of the website. That is also counted as a backlink.
Okay, so
yeah, go ahead.
can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay,
Yep.
thank you. So, Anup, if I put the link, let's say I tag the logo or something and put the link, the backlink there, will it work?
Yeah, it will work. It's not a problem. You can put a backlink either as a text, contextual, or link it with an image. It's not a problem.
Okay, okay.
A backlink is called backlink. Exactly.
Okay, so it has to be, let's say, either on the upper part of the website, web page, or header also.
Either in the upper fold or either in the navigation, right? Either you create a small blocks, write a summary, and put read more. And when click on read more, it will go to the other page.
Oh, okay.
Most of the commercial websites which they're having the services, what they do is they create a home page and they create a description, a small description about the products and services, and they put the graphics of the particular related service, a few content over there, and the third part will be read more. Right? So this is how they build backlink, internal backlinks in the upper fold of the website.
Got it. Thank you.
Great. Okay. So far, that's all the questions that have come in. I think most people have got their questions answered. Any follow-up? Any last comments before we close out the day 2, Anup, from your side?
No. Yes. Well, we have 2 days recording. Just before we move ahead on the 3rd day, what you have to do is you have to see the video, watch the video again, right? Yeah, so that you don't miss any point. The best part would be take a copy, a pen, and note down what are the important factors which I have told you. That's more than enough. For when you implement those web factors on your website, you don't have to come back and watch the video again. Those notes is going to help you out. Yeah. Go systematic, because I'm going very systematic with this day 1, day 2, and day 3. I could have finished the entire SEO thing in just 1 day, but because I have to understand the audience on the other side, right? I'm going very slow, right? I'm only on the tip of the ball. I'm only teaching you only 2 or 3% of what entire SEO is, right? When you are matured, right? When you are done with this, when you start ranking for your keyword on the 2nd and 3rd page, or the 1st page, right? Then I'll announce another advanced SEO course, right? And you can join that. And that will be only for those people, those who have achieved something in the SEO, right? Those people who have not achieved, because they will not be able to understand. They have not practically did anything, right? So they will not be able to understand the advanced level of SEO, right? I was little worried to talk about Robots.txt, to talk about Sitemaps.xml today, because I thought you guys are new to it and it's a little technical, not be able to understand. So I made it very storytelling kind of content, right? What I said it, okay, this is the command side command this, and this is what this look bad backlinks or bad pages index in Google. So what I have to do is I'll have to remove them, how to remove them, go on not bad, create a list, then split. Each website has to copy it and put in the Robots.txt file, right? So this is what I did practically to make sure that you understand it well. So until you do it practically, you're not able to understand it.
Yes, nice comment from Ashmita. I have to start my journey in SEO only after I learn how to make a website in WordPress.
That's fine. Yes, until you have a website, you'll not be able to practice anything. This is all practical thing, right? And create a website, create a dummy website, please, and start doing.
Fantastic. Great. So I think that's all that we have questions so far and chat so far. So guys, thank you so much for being here on day 2, and we'll see you again tomorrow at 9 p.m. for day 3, and that'll be the final day tomorrow.
Day
Bye,
3 is very
everybody.
magical. You should not miss the day 3 because I'm going to teach you an extra thing that's called local SEO. That don't require any website. They don't require any content part. That don't require cleaning your website. They don't require any backlink effort. So
Right.
it's very awesome, and you'll come on the top of the search result within just 24 hours.
Right.
We'll learn that tomorrow practically. So don't miss out tomorrow class, please.
Fantastic. Super. Thank you so much, everybody, and good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye, guys.